Hey guys, it's me, Hasper with WTI.
And it's been so hard for me to find the right phone holder for my car dashboard, but this one from Scosche, the extra strong magic mount magnetic phone holder, has saved my life. I love how easy it is to use. It really is so easy that anyone can install it. It was a 5-minute installation. I think even less than 5 minutes. It comes with the mount itself. It also comes with a metal plate, which is in case I didn't have a magnetic case, but I did have one, so I didn't need to use it for the phone. And then this right here, I love because it allows me to adjust how much hold I want it to have. And then the cable holder right there, so that it is easier for me to charge my phone without having the cable all over the place. This is how easy I can just put it over there. And this is the cleaning wipe. It was so easy to install. I just cleaned the surface and then peel it off and put it on the dashboard. As easy as that. I told you it takes less than 5 minutes. I also love this feature. It's a 360-degree adjustable magnetic head, so I can literally adjust it to whatever angle I want, and that's so practical.
And that's my point of view.